Um, Hi, my name is Anna burilina, and I'm under the impression that someone is using Russian intelligence or just intelligence um, secrets or methods and experimenting with me here in 4800 San Juan, just like the same way they were doing at 115 Camino Ruiz Camarillo, where I got evicted out of. This has consisted in a series of basically it's human torture. But here is the refrigerator basically talking to me. I'm gonna think a thought and talk with them, and you'll be able to hear them through the fridge. I lived in Camarillo, California, and we had places like Mercury Systems where my neighbor worked that does exactly stuff like this, like intelligence work for the government. So here it is.